Dear students, this is Velviri, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science and AI, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. Here we are going to discuss about the list in Python, and some of the topics are introduction, creating, accessing, advantage of list, disadvantages of list, and conclusion. First of all, the list in Python is a collection of items. It can store multiple values in one variable, which can be similar data types or different data types. It can be number, strings, etc., floating, and we can store more than one data type in a single list. And the list is mutable. It means you can change, add, or remove items from the list, and the lists are ordered, so each item has a fixed position. That is, each item have their own index value. Here the example of 10 natural numbers. So the numbers start from 1 to 10, and the index value start from 0 to n minus 1. So here the list of 10 natural numbers. After that, how to create and accessing a list. So a list is creating using square brackets, and items are separated by commas. So the example for the first of all, we have to know the syntax. So list variables and the values. So the values are all in square brackets and separated by commas. So first of all, the example, then the example. So numbers, okay, the number of 10 numbers. So list, and we can create the list, and we can create the list as empty list. So we have to put the list name and then the empty square brackets. The list can contain the duplicate values, so we can provide more duplicates value, like if you have to score the mark list. No, so similarly in 2 or 3 subjects the students can get the same mark, so we can use duplicate values, and we can contain different data types also. We can use different data types in the list. How to access a list? We can access the elements by indexed values. So list can be sliced and concatenated. So negative index starts from -1, that is last element, and the first index value is initially 0. So how to update the list. One or more elements of a list can be updated, and easily can updated by the assignment operators, and we can adding elements using append method. Append method is, if you want to add a method at the end, we have to make use of the append method. Then insert method is used to add at a specific position, and the extend method adds the multiple elements in a multiple elements in the list. So we can use extend method to add the multiple elements. And then the removing elements. So removing elements, so remove method use a remove specific value, and pop method remove using index value. It makes we have to provide the index value to remove a particular to remove a value in the particular index. We have to use the pop method, and del element is used to delete the element. Del method is used to delete the element. So here the list slicing. So we have to provide the start value and the end value of a list. So the because of that only we can able to slice the list and return part of the list. Looping. So we can use for loop to go through all the elements in the list. And the nested list means we can create a list inside the list. A list can contain another list. And the advantages. So advantages of list. So advantages of list is this: flexible, easy to use, and we can store different types of data. It's dynamic, powerful, and we are using this in real world programs. And the disadvantages are it uses more memory, slower than arrays in some cases. So, in conclusion, lists are very important in Python, used in almost every program. So nowadays we are using Python, and we are using this list in almost every program. Thank you.